What's going down, everybody? Welcome back, fellas. So it is absolutely amazing out here today, man. Now, DIY Dad hit me up yesterday, said he needed to come by. His car's idling rough for a couple of days, and then it straightens up, and then it idles rough, and then it straightens up. So we're gonna jump into it, see what we got. Maybe it's a dirty throttle body, or maybe it's just failing. You know, I don't know if it's the original one or not, but I know he's had the car for a few years, and it's the same one he's had on there. So we're gonna jump right into this. We're gonna throw the thing scan on there, run a data stream real quick, see if we can see the throttle positioning sensor jumping up and down, try to diagnose what's going on, man. So with all that ado, y'all sit back and relax, enjoy this content, and we have another great video coming up right now. So we're sitting here, man. We're in the car now. Now, I forgot to mention in the intro, it's an 06 Acura TL with a 3.2 liter V6 Vtech. I'm going to show you the mileage real quick. I got the thing scan loading up right now, and then we're going to start it up and see what we can do. But here we go, man. Here's the mileage right here. 291,997. So once the thing scan boots up, we'll click you back on. We'll jump right into this. So man, we ran the thing scan, dude. It didn't come up with much, so I decided to drop back and go with what I know. And a rough idle, man, that comes and goes like that could possibly be a dirty throttle body. So we went ahead and pulled his air breather off, looked in his throttle body. I want to show y'all what we found and I'm going to explain what we're going to do for the moment and see if it gets better. And if it gets better, then I know for sure it's the issue. So we're gonna jump right into this, man. So we pulled this thing off, dude. Look at that. And he's been wiping some of it off. He's been out here almost ruining my video. Let's just go ahead and say it out loud. And then I'm gonna push this open. Oh, that is hot, fellas. Hold on, man. Let me put my gloves back on real quick. So now I got my gloves on, but you see the stuff at the bottom? So whenever I let go of that throttle body, that's what broke off of there, man. So, like I stated, man, a dirty throttle body can give you a rough idle, and if it's breaking loose like this and it's sucking into your engine, yeah, it's gonna run bad. And then once it burns that off or does what it needs to do with it, or what it can do with it, then it'll start running right again. So now that I got my gloves on, I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna show you. Look inside there, man. Look at that. So we need to get in there and clean all that out of there, man. And I'm almost sure that'll be a big problem solver right there. So we got to get into taking this off. I got to make sure not to tear the gasket behind there. We got to disconnect the battery and unplug our sensors here. We have, I believe this is our idle air control temperature, and then our throttle positioning sensor right here. Now, we're going to go through that real quick. I got to undo this hose, and then we'll see what we get into, man. Okay, guys, so you have 2 studs and 2 bolts. They're 12 millimeter for your throttle body. You have 2 plugs here, and then this one here. Now, what you need to know is that this one right here is a coolant line, and it goes in to the throttle body with this one, and then out through here, or vice versa. I'm not really sure. So the thing to do is when you pull it off, use the actual throttle body bolt that comes out of the bottom. Fits perfectly. And then be gentle. Don't tear your hose up, because where it goes, it could probably be a pain to change out. Now, we got this throttle body out, dude. Look at this thing. I'm almost sure, sure that that's got something to do with it. So we're gonna clean this up, man. I'll give y'all a shot after we clean it up. We'll put it back on, see if the car runs any better right off the bat, and then I'll give y'all updates later on during the week. Okay, man, so we had to go to the auto parts, dude, and get throttle body cleaner for this throttle body. Now, when I did the throttle body on the 03 Hemi Ram like a year and a half ago, almost 2 years ago, I just used brake part cleaner. But I feel like that's a more heavy duty throttle body than this one that we pulled off the 06 Acura. So I'm gonna show you this, dude. So this is what we got. We got the CRC throttle body and air intake cleaner so we can clean all this up. Now, something to note, dude, this is your coolant line. This is either your in or out, and then this is your out or in. I'm not sure which way they go, but coolant did come out of them two lines. Now, let's walk out here to the sun, and I'm gonna give you a shot of what this thing looks like, man. Look at that. So we wiped some of that out, man. It doesn't look that bad, but it does look that bad. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get over here, we're gonna clean this out as best as we can and be as gentle as we can with it. And then we're gonna reinstall, which I'll probably go over that with y'all on, and then that'll be what's up, man. Like I said, we'll see if it runs better right off the bat, and then when he gives me updates, I'll give y'all updates. So let's jump right into this, fellas. So look at all this coming out of here, man. Now I'm gonna have to tell DIY Dad that's kind of unacceptable, man. So if your throttle body looks like that, clean it up. And this is just spraying it off. We hadn't even gotten to getting a lint-free. You have to use a lint-free rag to wipe this out so nothing gets trapped in there. It's another thing you don't want sucked into your engine. I'm just doing this to kind of coat everything, give it a chance to break up. And then like I just stated, man, we're gonna wipe it all up. I just wanted to give you a quick shot, but I mean, look at this. Look at all the carbon coming out of there. So we're gonna finish cleaning this up, wipe it up, and then we'll carry on with the video, guys. All right, guys, so we got it cleaned up, man, the best we could. So let's walk out here to the sunlight here, man. I'll show you what I got here, dude. So this is all carbon that I got off almost everything, right? And the rest of it is stained. And this side is bad, but it is stained, man. I couldn't get that off. But I did make sure to go through and get that edge, man. We had to clean off as much as we could off that edge. That's important. So we're gonna get to mounting this thing back on and see how well it runs now. So while we're at it, man, DIY Dad's out here. He's trying to wipe up as much as he can. Once again, use a lint-free rag, and then we're just spraying that throttle body cleaner on the rag and then wiping it in there instead of just spraying it in there. I feel like that's probably gonna be a bit excessive for the intake. So we're gonna keep carrying on, and then we'll go through it, and then we'll fire it up, and it's probably gonna have to go through a quick throttle relearn because now it's gonna have a better air intake from the throttle body. So just sit back, we're getting close to the end, guys. We're enjoying ourselves on such an amazing day. All right, here we go, man. First start. Let's see. Man, it sure sounds good. Look at that. No leaks. Like I said, water runs through this and then down through that hose at the bottom down there. Give it a little gas, Dad. Come on, actuate that thing. That kind of caught me off guard. So man, it seems to be idling pretty good right now, which is a good thing. It does seem to run a little smoother, and I do believe the carbon buildup was an issue. Now with all of that, dude, we're gonna wrap this video up. He'll give me updates during the week if anything changes, and then I'll give y'all updates. So with all that, dude, that's cleaning the throttle body on a 2006 Acura TL with a 3.2 liter V6 Vtech engine. So keep living the dream, doing your thing, guys, and we will get at you on the next one.